Blend condensed milk in a blender and make this dessert with just one ingredient. Guys, start by adding 385 grams of condensed milk into a blender now. Let's cover it and turn on the blender. Let it blend very well until it starts to change texture. Start blending on the lowest level of the blender and increase over time. The texture of this dessert will depend a lot on how much you blend it. The more you blend it, the firmer and less sweet it will be. And look guys, our dessert has already thickened. Now just turn it off and transfer it to your preferred container. I'm going to transfer it into a glass jar. Look at the texture of this dessert, guys. The best part is, we only used one ingredient after filling the whole jar. Just take it and put it in the fridge until it sets. After that, you can enjoy your condensed milk dessert. It's super fast, easy, and delicious. It looks a lot like condensed milk mousse. Guys, it's a very cost-effective recipe and you will love the texture. And best of all, it's not very sweet. I hope you like this recipe from Pobre na Cozinha. Until next time, thanks and see you later.